Racing gas is started with a yellow cut break quickly restart rushing about the outside. Now is Hello Apo running by the release Mr. Slim Real Pogi. Then comes the Director's Hunter alongside Cassidy running by the release Warlock. Then followed by Golden Class Charm Offensive second last while Director's Diva is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader racing down the backstretch with Hello Apo, a solo leader by about 6 lengths. Mr. Slim in second. Yellow Cat moving up Real Pogi. Then next on line is Warlock. Charm Offensive comes next. Then comes Golden Class. Director's Diva. Director's Hunter. While Cassidy now racing in last inside the tres octavo with Hello Apo by about 3 lengths. And in second Mr. Slim. Then here comes Charm Offensive now moving up to take second. Yellow Cat. Then next online now is Real Pogi. And they are now entering the home stretch. Hello Apo, Mayor Link and Hop. Charm Offensive is on the outside, but it's still Hello Apo, Mayor Link and Hop. Charm Offensive is on the outside, but it's still Hello Apo, followed by Charm Offensive. And finally it's Hello Apo, Charm Offensive, Yellow Cut. Then comes Director's Diva.
Alright, Banderang Kapos, numero G, Hello Apo, ridden by Renz M. Ubaldo, then masisibundo 8, si Charm Offensive, Yellow Cat, Director's Diva. Nabitin tayo sa pang-anim eh. Ayan. Palarin natin, replay nito ating race number